How to delete chat history in Character AI. Character AI deletes messages. If you wish to delete the chat history with a certain Character AI on Character AI, right? So there's a certain AI character right here. Let's say you had a conversation with and you've been trying to delete the conversation. Now, once you're inside that conversation, if you go ahead and then tap on their name, you scroll down, you can see we do not have a couple of options right here. Now, even if you come back basically and then you long press on that chat, you can see there isn't an option to delete the conversation, but only hide the character. But there's still a way to remove those history. That is to actually manually select them. So all you have to do is long press on a certain message that you would like to delete, and there you'll find this button that says remove, as you can see here. Just tap on remove and then you'll be able to remove that messages. You will be able to do that also for the other messages. So unfortunately, this is the only way that we can currently do so. There isn't a delete or remove all button. So we have to remove each of those messages manually by tapping the yes button. This way you'll be able to delete or get rid of your messages in Character AI. I hope the video helped you out. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end and see you soon in the next video.